Welcome to the Garuda Indonesia experience. Take your time to enjoy the comfort of our luxurious Boeing 777-300ER. As our crown jewel, the first class provides unparalleled comfort for your journey. With 8 luxury suites, our first class brings you the ultimate flight experience. Revel in lavish personal space. Collapsible dining table for 2. And access to full privacy. Enjoy a comfortable seat that reclines 180 degrees. And experience exceptional tranquility at 40,000 feet. In your private bedroom in the sky. Feel the luxurious details of the cabin interior and its generous storage space. Indulge yourself with over 25 custom seat settings, which include invigorating massage features. Take delight in the wide variety of in-flight entertainment on your personal 23-inch touchscreen. And discover the delectable fine dining experience above the clouds, served by our chef on board. In the executive class, we present our new and improved look with 38 exclusive seats. Our new in-flight connectivity, available throughout all cabins, will keep you updated in the air. Unwind in a spacious cabin with extended legroom. Designed for your utmost comfort and convenience. A fully reclining flatbed seat will ensure your rest at ease. While your personal USB port and power outlet keep you productive. All this in a revolutionary seating layout that enhances your privacy and provides direct aisle access for every seat. Optimizing its generous interior, our Boeing 777-300ER brings you a larger economy class, serving over 268 passengers. Sit back in our ergonomically designed seats with adjustable headrests, where a wide selection of movies, TV shows, live TV channels, games, and music have been selected for your entertainment. Keep your gadgets fully charged using the many power outlets and dedicated USB ports available. On board Garuda Indonesia's Boeing 777-300ER, you'll discover the exceptional. With our award-winning service celebrated all over the world, this is your time to fly comfortably above the rest. With Garuda Indonesia, the airline of Indonesia.